Do you want to know how you can check your messages and notifications in the Zedge using your browser? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your messages. Go to your Chrome browser, go to zedge.net and click on Access from Web Browser. Now you can see that there's a profile on the right hand side. And there's a bell button. Click on the bell button and this is where all your messages will come. You can click on it and it will take you to the page where your notifications are. So you can click on the bell button which shows you your messages and notifications. All of the messages and notifications you achieve will directly come to this bell button over here. So just go to the bell button and you can access your messages and notifications. This is how you see your messages and notifications on Zedge. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.